Oraple's 5-in-1 Learning Push Walker. For shape recognition, it has different instrumental music and little toys. Learning to walk is one of the most important phases. Make it enjoyable and full of skill development. A smooth and attractive walker, easy to use, and best for initial leg workout. Every forward step brings happiness to your child. It helps to learn music with colorful lights. Its toy tray can be removed and used separately. Gears gain for cognitive learning. 5-in-1 Learning Push Walker, a fun learning toy. Orapple, the amazing toy company.